If you want to log out of your OneDrive account on Windows, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to unlink OneDrive from your PC so you can sign out safely and stop syncing files from that account. This is useful if you're switching accounts, sharing a computer, or just want to disconnect OneDrive from Windows without deleting anything important. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, look at the taskbar in the bottom right corner of your screen and click the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small up arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you open OneDrive, a small panel will appear showing your sync status, recent activity, and account options. Next, click the gear icon in the OneDrive panel. This opens the settings menu. From the list of options, choose Settings. This will bring up the full OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account, sync preferences, backups, and connection options. Now, inside the settings window, go to the Account tab. This tab is where Windows shows the OneDrive account currently connected to your computer. You'll also see information about your storage, your signed-in account, and the option to disconnect the PC from OneDrive. To log out, click Unlink This PC. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect the account. This step is important because it stops OneDrive from syncing files between your computer and the cloud. After you confirm, your OneDrive account will be logged out from Windows on this device. Once the account is unlinked, OneDrive will no longer sync your files automatically. Your local files are still on the computer, so don't worry. Anything that has already been downloaded will remain on the PC unless you delete it manually. That means you can keep your files while removing the connection to the OneDrive account. If you ever want to use OneDrive again, you can simply sign back in and set it up with a different account or the same one later. This makes unlinking a safe option when you just want to disconnect without affecting the files already stored on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of OneDrive on Windows by unlinking the PC. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.